Today, we're diving into some breaking news in the world of foldable smartphones. Mobile phone. OnePlus has officially confirmed that there will be no new foldable phone released this year. That's right, the much-anticipated OnePlus Open 2 is not happening in 2025. While this might come as a shock to many fans, there are some exciting developments from Oppo to look forward to. For those who may not know, the Oppo Find N3 was rebranded as the OnePlus Open, but the upcoming Oppo Find N5 will remain exclusive to Oppo. The Find N5 is set to push the boundaries of foldable phone design, making it one of the thinnest foldable phones ever. Many believe that the Find N5 would be launched globally as the OnePlus Open 2, but OnePlus has confirmed through a statement by Vailgu, product manager of OnePlus's Open division, that there are no such plans for this year. The company has decided to pause its foldable phone lineup for now. Vailgu stated, "At OnePlus, our core strength and passion lie in setting new benchmarks and challenging the status quo across all product categories. With that in mind, we've carefully considered the timing and our next steps in foldable devices, and we have made the decision not to release a foldable this year." While this might be disappointing for some, it doesn't mean OnePlus is out of the foldable game for good. They remain committed to future foldable devices, and Oppo's Find N5 is a testament to the remarkable advancements in foldable technology. This includes cutting-edge materials and sophisticated engineering that could make future OnePlus devices even better. It's not entirely clear why OnePlus has made this decision, especially given that the OnePlus Open was well received and public opinion on the Find N5 has been highly positive. By not launching the Find N5 as the OnePlus Open 2, OnePlus might be missing out on a significant market share in the foldable segment. So, what's next for OnePlus and Oppo in the foldable space? Only time will tell, but rest assured, we'll keep you updated on all the latest news and rumors.